What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a treat in store for you guys. Literally, we're gonna be making no-bake cheesecake. I'm so excited to share this healthy spin on a classic dessert, and better yet, it's so quick and easy, so prepare to be amazed. Let's get started. For the crust, we have 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of granola, a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, honey to coat the oats and granola, and a splash of almond milk. And for the topping, we have 24 ounces of reduced fat cream cheese, a drop of honey, stevia to taste, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, and strawberries to top the cheesecake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of granola into my blender. All right, and then after this, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the honey, which I'm going to do to taste. So this part is actually kind of trial and error. So I'm gonna put a little bit in, and then I'm gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna stir it and see what the consistency is like, and then I'll add more if I need it. Okay. And so here is the 1/3 cup of coconut oil. And then I'm gonna add in just a smidge of almond milk. This is also kind of, you have to play with it, so just a little, and then I'm gonna blend it, check the consistency, and add more if I need it. All right. Okay, so it looks a little dry, so I'll probably need to add in more honey. But first, make sure you stir it up good, just to be sure, because you don't want to add too much because it won't stick to the pan when you get ready to, you know, put it in there. Right, so I'm gonna add in just a little more. All right, here we go. This might be good. So let's see. Okay, yeah, y'all, this looks good to me. Of course, I forgot my pan, so let me grab it real quick and I will be right back. Here we go. So now we're just going to dump the oats and the granola into the pan, and then we can use our spoon to level it out. All right. So do your best to get it even. Make sure there are no spaces in the bottom of the pan, and you may have to work with it a little bit. Okay, once we get this you know, spread out, we're gonna go ahead and freeze it. It's a little trick I picked up along the way. So when we do the cheesecake topping, we don't have to worry about the bottom breaking up. All right, guys, I think this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for about 20 minutes to let it get hard. So then when we put the cheesecake topping on, it goes on nice and smooth. So be right back. All right, guys, the crust is ready. So now it's time to make the topping. So the first thing we are going to do is dump in our cream cheese. And I have 24 ounces here. And I know that's a lot. But listen, like I said, this is a healthier version of cheesecake. That doesn't mean you can eat it every day. Don't be going around talking about some Tracy said I can eat cheesecake every day, because I did not. This is healthy. So maybe instead of your normal 1 slice, you can have 2, but always be mindful, guys. All right. So now we have the cream cheese in. And next, I'm going to dump in a little more honey. And I forgot to mention in the beginning that I do have a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. So make sure you add that in. Okay. And next, I have about a 1/3 cup of stevia. You do this to taste. I like it like this, but you may want it a little sweeter. Okay, so now let's blend this. All right, y'all, we got a lot of cream cheese in here, so it's gonna take a couple tries. Okay, so let's stir. And then we'll restart the blender. All right, y'all, I'm liking this consistency, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump it on top of my crust. So again, we want to make sure it's as level as possible. So this time I'm gonna go in with my knife and just smooth it out just a bit. You know what? I actually should have stuck with the spoon. Oh yeah, that's better. So guys, you see how quick and easy this was? This is literally the last thing we're gonna do, and then we're gonna top it with the berries, pop it in the freezer for about an hour, and then you're good to go. Okay, now we're gonna top with the strawberries. And of course, there are other things that you can use, chocolate chips, for example, would be another good topping alternative. So just try some different things and figure out, you know, what you like best. But me, I love strawberries. All right, we are just about done. And then we can enjoy. All right. All right, into the freezer we go. All right, guys, here is the final product. Excuse its appearance, it's a little melted. You do need to let it thaw out after you take it out of the freezer, obviously, but I promise you it's absolutely delicious. Like I said, enjoy, but don't overindulge. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this one, and give me some suggestions of other desserts that you would like to see me prepare for you. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see y'all later.